Is Dogelon Mars a wise venture? That is an inquiry that many individuals explicitly are posing to themselves as this new digital currency begins to acquire consideration. In this video, we've assembled an examination of the Dogelon Mars cost expectation. We will likewise generally examine the specialized elements of this coin and tell you the best way to get it. As a matter of fact, we should go in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogelon Mars costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Dogelon Mars will be $0. The most extreme level that the ELON cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost certainly is normal around $0. ELON value gauge for January 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Dogelon Mars toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists really expect the typical ELON pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. February 2023, Dogelon Mars value conjecture. Digital money specialists are somewhat prepared to sort of declare their conjecture for the ELON cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost could especially be $0, while the greatest could sort of reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Dogelon Mars could be around $0. ELON value conjecture for WALC 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value variances of Dogelon Mars in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ELON rate they by and large foresee may be around $0 WALC 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0. April 2023, Dogelon Mars value conjecture, which basically is very huge. Around mid-year 2022, the ELON cost will be exchanged at $0 genuinely normal. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogelon Mars worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. ELON value figure for May 2023, which is genuinely critical. Crypto specialists fundamentally have dissected Dogelon Mars costs in 2022, so they are prepared to truly give their assessed exchanging really normal for May 2023, $0. The most minimal and top ELON rates may be $0. June 2023, Dogelon Mars value figure in opposition to prevalent thinking. Crypto examiners certainly expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ELON cost will be around $0 in unpretentious manner. In June 2023, the Dogelon Mars cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023. ELON value figure for July 2023. Having examined Dogelon Mars costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ELON rate could arrive at in every practical sense, limit of $0 July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0. For July 2023, the estimated normal of Dogelon Mars is almost $0. August 2023, Dogelon Mars value gauge. Around mid-2022, the Dogelon Mars cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the ELON cost could change somewhere in the range of $0. ELON value figure for September 2023, which is genuinely huge. Market specialists in a real sense expect that in September 2023, the Dogelon Mars worth won't dip under an all things considered, least of $0. The really greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $0 in unobtrusive manner. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. October 2023, Dogelon Mars value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of ELON costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompany. The greatest exchanging worth of Dogelon Mars will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the really normal expense will be $0. ELON value gauge for November 2023. In view of the value vacillations of Dogelon Mars toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ELON pace of $0 November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can basically be anticipated at $0 individually. December 2023, Dogelon Mars value gauge in a significant way. Digital currency specialists in every practical sense are prepared to sort of report their estimate for the ELON cost in December 2023. In every practical sense, least exchanging cost may be $0, while the truly greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogelon Mars may be around $0 in unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024, which is very huge. After the examination of the costs of Dogelon Mars in earlier years, it for the most part is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Dogelon Mars will sort of be around $0. The really greatest expected ELON cost may sort of be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023 amazingly. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025 in a sort of significant manner. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Dogelon Mars, in 2024, ELON is supposed to have the accompanying least and especially most extreme costs, about $0, separately fundamentally. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money most certainly have dissected the costs of Dogelon Mars and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ELON cost could drop to $0, while its for the most part greatest can reach $0. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027, which is genuinely huge, in view of the examination of the expenses of Dogelon Mars by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least ELON costs are normal in 2026, $0. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of Dogelon Mars. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical ELON cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0, yet it actually could reach $0 through 2027. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Dogelon Mars, which is very huge. It is assessed that ELON will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2028. Its typical expense in every way that really matters is normal at around $0 the year. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2030 in a significant manner. Digital money investigators especially are prepared to explicitly declare their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the greatest ELON cost of $0. In any case, its rate could drop to around $0. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0, which is very critical. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Dogelon Mars cost, crypto specialists are prepared to for the most part give their ELON cost assessment to 2030 in opposition to mainstream thinking. It will be exchanged for at sort of the least $0, with the especially conceivable kind of most extreme tops at $0. Overall, you can anticipate that the ELON cost should be around $0 2030, which is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2032, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Digital money examiners sort of are prepared to explicitly declare their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2031 not entirely settled by the greatest ELON cost of $0. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $0. Thus, the certainly normal exchanging cost basically is $0. Will Dogelon Mars become more expensive incredibly?